Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to be QuickBooks certified. Start by choosing the right certification path and set a realistic study schedule with clear milestones and daily practice. Focus on core modules like bookkeeping, payroll, and Form 1099 handling while using sample files. Use timed practice exams to build speed and accuracy. Track progress weekly and adjust study time to strengthen weak areas before booking the exam. Build a study habit that sticks by planning focused sessions and realistic goals. Rotate between video lessons, hands-on practice, and timed quizzes to reinforce learning. Keep a running error log so you revisit problem areas and avoid repeating mistakes. Practice real tasks like reconciling accounts and preparing invoices to gain confidence. Schedule a full practice exam a week before test day and review each missed question carefully to close knowledge gaps. Quick recommendation and a small aside. If you like organization, try leak-proof meal prep containers to keep receipts, snacks, or invoices tidy between study sessions. They make meal prep and study breaks smoother and less stressful, and they fit easily into a study bag. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. On exam day, stay calm and manage time deliberately by allocating minutes per section and not lingering on one question. Read each prompt fully, flag uncertainties to return to later, and avoid overthinking familiar items. Ensure your workspace is quiet, your internet is stable, and required ID is ready. If permitted, use scratch paper for calculations and keep answers steady. After finishing, review flagged questions once and then submit confidently.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.